Cooling system failure is one of the leading causes vehicles are left stranded on the highway. Extreme heat and severe driving conditions deplete the protection properties in coolant, allowing rust, scale, and corrosion to build up in the tiny passages in the radiator, blocking the flow of coolant, causing the engine to overheat. Possible problems include premature wear on the water pump, restricted coolant flow, overheating, and cooling system component failure. A cooling system cleaner is circulated throughout the system, encapsulating and removing harmful deposits, helping to restore proper flow in the radiator. An experienced technician will then perform a complete cooling system service, removing old contaminated coolant and harmful deposits from the system and replacing it with the new manufacturer-recommended coolant. A fluid conditioner and anti-corrosion inhibitors are added to fortify the system against rust, corrosion, and premature pump wear, followed by a routine inspection of system hoses, connections, and radiator. Benefits include improved circulation, prevention of overheating and minor leaks, lubrication of internal system components. Ask your service provider if your vehicle would benefit from a cooling system fluid exchange service today.